Going to be working on a Transam on their headlights. We're going to be replacing the motors and fixing this issue, which I did not bring the lever. That's no bueno. Actually, did I? No, I did not. But we're going to have to replace because the motors went totally bad already. People said change the gears, but that's not the case with this. The motors are worn out already. And yeah, so we're gonna start. I guess with the driver's side, I believe we have to. Let's see. As they move over here, I bet we have to remove this one, and then there's another one right here. So let me find the tools and give y'all the size measurements so y'all know. All right, so you're gonna be grabbing a T30 and a 10 millimeter. And pulling it off. I already took the nut. I just gotta remove this. Hopefully I don't drop it. Oh, that was close. Okay, let me get two hands before I drop it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It went in like this. Take them out. Now we do this one right here. And yeah. Might not be able to get this one, so let me get the. I don't know. This one. Oh, can't wiggle it. Oh no. Okay, let me get that. I believe the headlight comes out. You just gotta remove this connector, and then the light's already disconnected. So there you go. You remove that, and then you get to the motor much easier. And I bet I can find that little little nut where it went. It should be in here. But let me figure out. I already pulled off once when I was trying to. Whenever I ordered, I was like, man, let me see if I can do it without pulling off the motor. But yeah, you can't do that. You're gonna need to move the headlight assembly. So yeah, I believe it's a 10 mil, and there's one obviously here. There's another one right there, and there's three. I just don't see the other one. One, two. Oh, I mean, there used to be one. It's back there, but it's not there no more. That can't be good. Hopefully the other one has it. Okay, so we ran into an issue with these being bad on this one. I don't know if it should be worth it changing it. I'm probably gonna have to change it since it is pretty corroded. So I don't know if they'll have these at the store. That sucks. Alrighty, so the way this motor goes in, there's a little groove in there. I'm gonna slide it in. And then you want to make sure the bolts match, which they do. There we go. So now let me put the bolt and nut through, and yeah. Okay, so if your car has the bolt in the rear, which I didn't have it, so I had to get some, and I put the one that was already on there in the back. And what you do, or what I did, I pulled out the motor a little bit and I tried to go in this way, but it hits right here. So there's a hole right here. Your car should have it. You can go under your hand and go under this way. Put it in through here. You can see my finger and the bolts right here. So you can even grab a socket from here. But I'm gonna try to grab an the wrench, hold it there and tighten it from this side. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so I first tried to install this lever in there first, but it was harder. So You just want to install it here first. It was a piece of cake. So now we just gotta mount this on there, and then y'all gotta be careful because I already scraped mine. Oh well. So after that, I can't really fit this one in here, which is my high beam, but I don't even use it, so I won't bother to, because eventually I'm gonna switch up the type of headlights I'm gonna have. I'm gonna use the LED strips, but for now we'll work. All right, so I don't know what I did wrong, but this light goes up and down no matter what. You see? So yeah, let me pull this one off and just check it, see what it looks like, and look up something online and see why it's doing that. No, just the motor. Yeah. Okay. I mean, turn it off? Yeah, you could. Oh, yeah. Turn it on again? Oops. Okay, turn it off. Okay, guys, so I found the problem. I had, like, everything backwards. I needed to adjust it. What I ended up doing was looking at that one. And then, so as you can see, it's hitting on the bump stop. Turn it on. There we go. Oh, look, that one worked again. Okay, turn it off. Turn it on. There we go. Also, while my light wasn't turning on, it's because I had it on the high beam. So now I switched it over, ran the wires a little better, and we're good to go. So let me try to do this one, and yeah. Okay, so now that we got this side pulled off, let's see if I can remember to leave this bracket like this. So here's video proof. That way I can go back and inspect it. So yeah, let's get to it and make sure this is good, and let's pull it off. So there's the bracket. It's angled correctly. Lights work. Lights work. So the only issue I have, since this is not an OEM hood, if this is closed all the way and these are down, then it'll hit right here, because I did break part of it somewhere around here. Yeah, right there, look. Which sucks, man, because now it used to be able to down, but now not anymore. Yeah, guys, that's it today for this video, doing on headlights. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace.